In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of spinach. So, let's get started and take a closer look at the pros of spinach. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, providing a wide range of essential nutrients necessary for optimal health. It is a great source of vitamins A, C, and K, which play crucial roles in maintaining healthy vision, supporting the immune system, and promoting proper blood clotting. Additionally, spinach contains folate, an essential nutrient for cell growth and development, along with iron for red blood cell production and calcium for strong bones. Number 2. Antioxidant powerhouse. Spinach is brimming with antioxidants that help protect the body against oxidative stress. The high levels of beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin in spinach act as powerful scavengers, neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Lutein and zeaxanthin, in particular, are beneficial for eye health, as they help filter out harmful blue light and protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Number 3. Heart healthy. Incorporating spinach into your diet can promote heart health in multiple ways. The nitrates found in spinach help relax and dilate blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow and reduced blood pressure levels. The high potassium content in spinach further supports heart health by maintaining proper heart rhythm. Additionally, spinach's folate content helps lower homocysteine levels, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Number 4. Supports digestive health. Spinach is an excellent food choice for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Its high fiber content aids in preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. The fiber also acts as a prebiotic, serving as food for beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiota is crucial for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function, making spinach a valuable addition to a well-balanced diet. Number 5. Weight management. Spinach is a fantastic ally for weight management due to its low calorie and carbohydrate content coupled with its high fiber and nutrient density. The fiber in spinach increases satiety, helping to curb appetite and prevent overeating. Furthermore, the combination of vitamins and minerals in spinach supports a healthy metabolism, which is essential for efficient energy production and maintaining a healthy weight. By incorporating spinach into meals, individuals can enjoy a filling and nutritious food that aids in weight control. These are the main pros of spinach. There are also potential drawbacks to consider. So, let's get into the cons of spinach. Number 1. Oxalate content. Spinach is high in oxalates, which are naturally occurring compounds that can contribute to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. When consumed in excess, the oxalates in spinach can bind with calcium to form crystals that can accumulate in the kidneys and lead to stone formation. Therefore, individuals with a history of kidney stones or those prone to developing them should exercise caution when consuming large amounts of spinach. It is recommended to balance spinach intake with other low oxalate foods to reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. Number 2. Inhibits iron absorption. Spinach contains a compound called oxalic acid, which can bind to iron and inhibit its absorption in the body. This means that despite spinach's iron content, its bioavailability is limited. Vegetarians and vegans who rely heavily on plant-based sources of iron, such as spinach, should be aware of this limitation and consider including other iron-rich foods, such as legumes or fortified cereals, in their diet. Combining spinach with vitamin C-rich foods can also help enhance iron absorption. Number 3. Allergic reactions. Spinach is known to be a common allergen, and some individuals may experience allergic reactions upon consuming it. Allergic reactions to spinach can range from mild symptoms like itching and hives to more severe reactions, including swelling, difficulty breathing, or anaphylaxis. If you have a known allergy to spinach or related foods, it is crucial to avoid its consumption and seek medical advice. An allergist can conduct tests to determine the specific allergen and provide guidance on managing the allergy. Number 4. High in purines. Spinach is moderately high in purines, which are natural compounds that break down into uric acid in the body. Excessive consumption of high purine foods can lead to the accumulation of uric acid, contributing to gout, a painful arthritic condition. Individuals with gout or a history of gout attacks may need to limit their intake of spinach and other purine-rich foods, such as organ meats or certain seafood. It's important to work with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to develop a gout-friendly diet plan. Number 5. Pesticide residues. Conventionally grown spinach is known to have a high likelihood of pesticide residues. Pesticides are used in agriculture to protect crops from pests, but they can leave behind harmful residues. Consuming spinach with pesticide residues can have potential health risks, including adverse effects on the nervous system, hormone disruption, or an increased risk of certain cancers. To minimize exposure to pesticides, it is advisable to opt for organic spinach or thoroughly wash conventionally grown spinach before consumption. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.